I'm Eunesse Molleno, a third year BS Computer Science student from Bicol University College of Science. And today, I'm excited to walk you through my journey in the StraStan Fast Track Virtual Internship Program, an experience that challenged me, taught me, and helped me grow in ways I never expected. So before starting this internship, I had a solid foundation in C and Python, and I was diving deep into UI UX design and front end development. I had experience using tools like Figma and Wix for creating designs, and I was building up my skills in HTML, CSS, and Django. What really drives me is creating intuitive, user friendly experiences. But at that time, I knew my knowledge was still developing. So if I had to rate my technical confidence, I would rate myself a 3 out of 10. And to be honest, I felt overwhelmed going in. There was excitement, yes, but also uncertainty. I also wondered if I could keep up and whether I'd be able to apply what I knew in the real world setting. But what made the experience truly meaningful was the incredible support I received. The stress and mentors, especially Sir Gilbert, were kind, approachable, and encouraging. They never pressured me to rush tasks. Instead, they gave me space to learn at my own pace, guiding me patiently through every challenge. And that level of mentorship allowed me to grow, not as just a developer, but as a learner. Fast forward to today, and I can confidently say that my technical growth has been transformational. And here's how I would rate my skills after the internship. Among this, I really enjoyed learning incognito. It amazed me how identity access can be managed so securely and seamlessly. The most challenging for me was Node.js. Backend development was a new territory, and it took time and patience to understand how it all connects. But despite the difficulty, it sparked a genuine interest. And in fact, I now see myself pursuing back-end development more seriously in the future. This internship gave me a front row seat to how modern, scalable systems are actually built. It connected what I've learned in the classroom to how things works in production, especially through the lens of serverless architecture. So, do I believe that completing this 240-hour hands on training increased my chances of getting hired? Absolutely. While I know there's still a lot to improve, I now feel more prepared and somewhat confident to face technical interviews for roles like I was cloud developer. Most importantly, I've come to appreciate how today's technologies like Lambda and Cognito don't just make development faster, but smarter, more scalable, and industry ready. To wrap things up, I want to express my heartfelt thanks to my partner, Ram Ann, my co interns, and to the entire StraStan team. Thank you for being part of this journey. To Sir Gilbert, thank you for your patience and encouragement. To Mom Joy, thank you for constantly keeping us informed and on track with our tasks. And to Sir Mav, the Strastan's managing director, thank you for trusting us with this opportunity and believing on our potential. And to all the mentors who shared their time, knowledge, and support, thank you. The lessons I have learned and the skills I have gained will definitely serve as a foundation as I move forward with my tech career. Thank you so much, Strastan.